Greetings, Dennis Daniels. Prepare the system for pre-upgrade to Fedora 13. I'm running root right now just so I don't have to do sudo every time. So, do yum update. I've already done it, so it should be pretty quick. Okay, so no packages marked for update. Go ahead and yum clean all. Alright, now let's do yum install pre-upgrade. Oh, that's curious. Package pre-upgrade is already installed. I didn't do that. So let's go to the next step and run pre-upgrade. See what happens. Upgrade my system. La la la. Yes. Unstable test releases, no. Apply, something's happening in the background, I think. Yep. And there it goes. If I quit right now, your downloads will continue next time you run this assistant. Okay, well, I'll be back. Okay, not enough space in boot upgrade to download and install IMG. That's not terribly surprising, but it is a bit of a bummer. DFH boot. Well, it was 31%. Now, of course, it's got more stuff on it. And the instructions for the troubleshooting on this is actually kind of not for beginners. Like this particular passage here, in order to increase the size, you need to first identify the blocks device for your boot file system. Well, how do I identify it? Is this the identifier? Let's give it a shot. Mount grep boot. Alright, so that I guess is the. Now I need to adjust the total size. Now let's try that. I go to root. Oh, what's my password? Okay, there's my password. Now tune to fs r0 dev sda1. Yeah, sda1. Enter. Resetting block count to 0. Alright, so cd, now let's go into boot, ls. I'm supposed to delete EFI, but that's still not going to give me 500 megs of space, so this is just not good use of time. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go to the live USB for the next shot. Thank you.